Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. So say, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog Smruti with GK. So today we are in Nanaimo in Vancouver Island in British Columbia, and we are getting to live in this massive mansion in Nanaimo. So before I show you guys inside, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's go and see how the inside looks. Come on in. So this is the massive drawing room with the view of the ocean. I mean, this is so amazing. Like, to host people, we can live here, like so many people can live here. And then coming to this kitchen, such a big sized kitchen. एक चीज़ जो मेरे को मम्मा को और सबको अच्छा लगा, that the kitchen comes fully stocked with everything you would have at home, so you can cook without worrying about bringing a thing. I'm so impressed. Like, no one can ever get bored in this kitchen while cooking, because look at my view. And to top all of it, look at this dining table. When you are eating, you are getting this view. When you're having breakfast and you're having lunch, dinner, this view is every time in front of you. This is the bar that they have given in the house. This mansion can accommodate 10 persons and 4 kids. And they also have the fireplace here with this big size TV. Let's see the star of this house. This unparalleled view of the ocean. And they have ample of space to sit and chill as well. Okay, let's take you to the downstairs. I literally loved when I saw the downstairs. There are so many things to do downstairs. This house doesn't feel like just a house. Literally, it's a resort inside it. They also have mini golf inside this villa. There is also this barbecue and this small tiny kitchen with it, so that you can clean up your dishes after you eat. So this is a 4-bedroom house on this level, on the first level, and let's see the master bedroom. This is a very big master bedroom, and I literally fell in love at first sight. I wish I can make such a bedroom in future. Sometime. I mean, look at the view from the bedroom. You wake up to this view and then you can sit here, sip your coffee, relax here. Wow. I want to retire in this kind of home. Okay, the most amazing part. I love this washroom. Look at this tub, and you can just take shower with this view. Okay, one thing. So the toilets are all heated in this house. Isn't it amazing? And look at this wardrobe. So spacious. So now we all are in the kitchen making food, because we all are hungry. और ये कुछ सामान हम Costco से लेके आए थे, जो कि easy and ready to cook था, जैसे कि spring roll for snacks and also shrimp tacos. Chicken is already marinated, and here is egg ki bhuji for mama, because she doesn't eat chicken. So good morning. So we woke up to such an amazing view, and yesterday we had barbecue, we had a little party, and then we slept. So I'll show you the view. So this is the remote. I'm going to show you, like, if I press close. So this is all remote control. My blinds are gonna come down, and I feel so blessed that I woke up with this view. एंड गाइस, इस वॉशरूम में जाके तो मज़ा ही आ जाता है. आई मीन यहाँ पे भी व्यू है एंड देन हीटेड टॉयलेट्स. एंड मम्मा पापा तो ऑलरेडी सुबह उठ के दे वेंट फॉर अ वॉक इन द neighborhood and they were like, wow, this is so nice, this is so nice. And actually it's very nice, even if I have lived here in Vancouver, but this neighborhood is giving that lavish vibe. And वहाँ पे work from home चल रहा है. How does it feel to work from mansion instead of working from home?
I don't want to work.
That's just one word. And
I'm just pretending to work. इस वीक के साथ कौन काम करेगा? आराम करो.
और वो रहे पापा. Are you enjoying?
Really?
So let me tell you, हम डोसा का बैटर घर से बना के लेके आए थे एंड मम्मा ने आलू को मैश करा हुआ था घर से. And we are just gonna prepare the dosa and then we have avocados and with bread and eggs. So we got everything from home. Even if we would not have brought it from home, things are available here because it's not like in the outskirts of town, it's in the city. So, but it's good, yeah, ki our work is easy. And yeah, here we are making the breakfast. And हमें आज ऐसे cozy lazy vibe लेने का मन है. Like we woke up very late according to us, but yeah, we just want to stay here, enjoy the property, stay like a family, doing our vacation. Yeah, so we are not exploring many things here, but we will see tomorrow after we check out from mansion. We might go and see places, but for today we just want to live here, chill here. मम्मा कैसा लग रहा है आपको डोसा खा के ऐसे व्यू के साथ?
बहुत बढ़िया. डोसा भी बहुत टेस्टी बना है विद पीनट्स.
वाह वाह, मेरे ऑडियंस को भी मन करेगा कि आके मेरे हाथ का खा के जाए.
बहुत ही बढ़िया डोसा, टेस्टी.
ये वाला डोसा इज मेड बाय वासु. वासु इज मेकिंग डोसा एज वेल. सारे शेफ बने हुए हैं हमारे घर के.
हमने काम किया ना साफ करने में.
सही बात है. पापा सिर्फ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं अपना कॉफ़ी चाय के साथ.
जिंदगी में सबसे ज़्यादा एंजॉयमेंट इस ट्रिप पे हुआ.
So we are in the hot tub. Just look at our view. It feels amazing. Okay guys, तो हमारी hot tub session ख़त्म हो गई थी and now I'm going back to take shower. But before that, I'll show you how the moon looks today. It's a full moon day and it looks so beautiful. And I feel so blessed and so glad that I get to live here for this small vacation and this tiny trip. I'm loving it here. I literally don't want to go back to my home. So we are all ready to check out from this mansion and we will miss this stay here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it was a wonderful time here with everyone, with the family. And today our plan is to go and check out Victoria and we'll also have breakfast, lunch on our way. Let's see. चलो, ready for checkout everyone? पापा कहाँ गए? कैसा रहा सबका stay?
Amazing. 10 out of 1.
How was your stay, Vasu? You don't want to leave. How is your stay, Papa?
enjoyed a lot.
Very nice.
Yeah, enjoy it a lot. It was a very nice stay.
Yes.
Thank you, Suruti.
अरमान, आप निकलोगे या नहीं? How was your stay, अरमान?
10 on 10, बहुत ही बढ़िया stay है.
है ना? चलो बाय बाय कर दो इस मैंशन को. Guys, आज cloudy है weather but still the house looks so bright and I don't want to leave this villa. So this is all about our trip to Nanaimo. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. See you in our next one.